Video we discuss how to create footnote in this Word. That is, suppose if you are in Microsoft Word page and if you want to create a footnote using keyboard shortcut, then you must remember these shortcut keys. For example, I am going to simply type here hello, hello. I type like this, and suppose if I want to create a footnote, then you must remember these three keys. This is the control key, this is the alt key, and this is F key. So one of my finger is in this control key, another in this alt key, and another in this F key. So I press these three keys at the same time. So control key, alt key, and F key. Must press these three keys at the same time. So you can see here the footnote section have been right, and from here you want to type or something that you want, or if you want to simply insert this footnote, you can see. So if you click this, you can see that my message hi have been added. For more videos you can subscribe.